Hello guys, welcome to my fourth episode of the series. So I'm currently collecting obsidian for an enchanting table and an portal. And if you didn't watch the last episode, me and Wax Mucha collected some diamonds and some iron. And later I'm collecting gunpowder because I'm going to troll Wax Mucha. Stay tuned for next episode. After I collected some gunpowder, I went up to the surface and I forgot where's my house at. And later I finally found my house. And as you can see, I'm currently mining some sand so I can build, I can craft some TNT and I would blow up Wax Mucha's house if we enter the house. Ha ha ha. So where should I put the TNT? Like
Oh my god.
here?
He
Yeah,
will, he will,
I think here.
he will not know
Yeah.
it, bro.
And I will put the wood back. Wait. So currently I'm placing the wood back and put it
Oh my
at
god.
the treasure
If you
plate.
touch
And
that,
if Wax
you're
Mucha
going to die, bro.
like
I'm so
steps on that,
evil.
her house would leave blown up to
Stay tuned for
pieces,
the
bro.
next.
So
Where
I
can I
just
put
search
the
and
enchanting
search where's
table?
my
Like,
house
yeah,
at,
like
and
there.
like
I'm gonna put
I
some books.
I
Yeah.
went to my
I think I have
gallery and
leftover sugar
I
cane,
saw
yeah.
one of the videos
And let
at
me
the
turn that
cards
into
like
books.
23 and
Yeah,
43,
and
I
yeah,
guess, and
and I can
I got
craft
there
two
and there
books
was
now.
my house at.
And I'm gonna put that
Okay.
right there. Don't have
So I'm gonna enchant
any
my
lucky
stuff
left.
like, ooh, feather falling, ooh, protection
Ooh,
2, protection
protection
1,
one,
protection 1 and
protection
my
one.
searchlight. Okay.
Okay,
The
okay.
helmet, aqua infinity, protection. Okay. And diamonds are only being pets, bro. So make sure to like and subscribe and goodbye.